counties in Missouri, Andrew, Buchanan, and Holt. This is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KE77, near St. Joseph. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 98, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kansas: Atchison, Brown, and Donovan, and the following counties in Missouri: Andrew, Buchanan, and Holt. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in or close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 98 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Atchison, Brown, and Donovan, and the following counties in Missouri: Andrew, Buchanan, and Holt.